Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone.
All right, so we are going live on Facebook.
Yes.
All right. Good morning, everybody, and a very warm welcome to Empowering Morning Conversations. And as you know, the purpose of our group here is to meet together in the morning with like-minded people and generate empowering conversations so that we can start our day right. And that's what we're going to do. So very, very warm good morning to all of you. So how are you this morning? Let's hear from the rest of our people who have joined. And congratulations for being on time. So who would like to start the conversation?
It's a very fresh morning.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, mind, everything is very clear. I had a very good sleep yesterday.
Yeah, you had a good shave also yesterday, it seems like. So just to remind everybody, what is the purpose of this, the objective of whatever we are trying to do together here? See, the objective for all of us is to have a life of ease, joy, and glory.
Yeah.
So whatever may happen, the way we are going to approach life, the way we are going to react to life, the way we are respond to it, we want to make sure that we have ease, joy, and glory in our life. Isn't that wonderful? We have no control about what's going to happen in our life, right? Moment by moment, life comes to us. And you can say, oh, I'm suffering, or you can say, I am enjoying. Which one is better, do you think? Okay. So today's theme is, today I will be a master of my emotions. Like I told you, I'm a big fan of Og Mandino, and one of the scrolls in his book says this, and it kind of completely resonates with what I always say. The way circumstances influence our actions is through our feelings. So that means we are giving the power to the circumstances to influence our feelings, yes or no? So if we master our own emotions so that we are not allowing the outside world to influence our emotions, how would that be?
That would be excellent.
Right? So we worked on something called the power of generation. So one simple exercise that we do almost every day is which one? To generate a very, very powerful emotion. So why don't we start today with that one? All right. So when I say 1, 2, 3, what will you do? Do I have to tell you? 1, 2, 3, start. See, the switch is in our hands, right? We can switch it on anytime we want. We don't have to wait for somebody to come and tickle us, or something wow has happened. Every moment is a wow. So I'll generate that happiness. Allow this to come out. It's there. One way to master your emotions, isn't it?
Yes.
So all you wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human beings, thank you very much for being with us on this morning conversation. Remember who you are. You deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. And you deserve to have all the joy and happiness to show off in your life. So you don't become a barrier to that, my guys. Sometimes I think we only make the barriers for it. What do you think about this? Let's start the conversation with this. How do we put barriers into our own life for our own happiness?
We think negative.
Right? Beautiful. We think negative. What else? Somebody else? How do we put barriers to our own happiness in life?
Lot
We resist.
What? Suresh, you mute your video. I think your signal is weak. Then we'll be able
We
to hear you
resist to
better.
the things and
Right, we resist the things. Very good. Thank you. What else? Vitrival is showing us some picture of the globe and not himself. Hi, Vitrival. Good morning. How do we put barriers to our own happiness?
We overthink.
We overthink, yes.
Yes, yes.
We take small things and make them complicated and become miserable, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah,
And we make
Yeah.
other people also miserable along with us.
yeah.
Judgments, yes. What else?
Allowances at a lower level. We don't allow the happiness or the emotions to flow inside us.
Yeah, so we keep blocking that happiness. Very nice. What else?
And not understanding the things in the right perspective.
Okay, not understanding things in the right perspective. Can you say something more about that?
It is that we assume something about it's a simple behavior kind of stuff. We think that we are just doing it right, but others are perceiving it in the wrong way. But that gives disharmony. If we just understand what is the consequences and how others perceive it, then it is a real happiness. At least we are not
Okay.
disturbing the happiness.
So what I'm getting from you is that if I'm in a state of unawareness, I will not know whether I'm doing the right action or a wrong action.
Exactly.
So unawareedly, I may be doing wrong actions, which causes unhappiness to ourselves and others. Wow, what a wonderful thought. What else? What do we do? What are the barriers we put in our own happiness?
Assuming and judging.
Assuming and judging. Okay, what else? Suchitra, you didn't say anything?
Yeah, sir. We think we have to pay up indefinitely for our past errors. And so we remain in that loop of penitence and keep going even
Yeah.
after the lesson has been learned. So
Yeah, so we carry it with us, right?
yeah, correct.
And what do we carry with us from the past?
Our failure in having met something rightly. So
Regret.
we think that is the only way we are going to meet all other opportunities as well.
Okay,
And,
so
Yeah.
so what I'm hearing is that we carry regret, we carry shame, we carry guilt.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
that is something gone and done and dusted, but we are still carrying it for years and years. Very nice. What else?
It is a fear, it is our preconceived notions. And basically, we have a habit of drawing a trajectory from what has happened in the past. So we don't allow us to go out of box or think out of box, or we have a faith, but it is not so strong that if it is so strong, we will go and achieve it actually. So we are always lacking somewhere in our own confidence.
So what I'm hearing is that we exaggerate our failures and we minimize our accomplishments. Am I right?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Small failure and we'll say, oh, I'm a failure. Okay, very good. What else?
And there is also this us versus them mindset, a dual mindset, which is deeply ingrained. And to feel that you are in a collaborative, non-hierarchical group with people, that's we forget that there's always some intrinsic duality, that the world is in opposition to me. God is not on my side. Things like that. There's always some intrinsic duality, that the world is in opposition to me. God is not on my side. Things like that. There's always some intrinsic duality, that the world is in opposition to me. God is not on my side. Things like that.
I can understand that.
Opposition to me.
Yeah.
Suchitra says once, it is repeating 100 times.
I think it's got recorded and it's getting repeated, something like that.
Yes. Yes. Suchitra says once, it is repeating 100. Oh, it's coming for everyone.
That doesn't matter. So carry on. But, very good. Thank you very much for sharing that.
okay,
Okay, guys,
Ashojan.
can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
वो क्या सोचेंगे?
लोग क्या सोचेंगे? What will people think?
Yes.
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Good
Good
morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Sir, I proposed in the morning for the having.
1 minute, please wait, Mr. Vijay. Vijay, please wait.
Okay.
The birds have also joined our morning conversation, right?
Yes.
And what a wonderful and what a cheerful sound it is, right? Okay, anybody else? How do we put barriers to our own happiness?
We make a mountain out of a mole with our thoughts. Hello. Hello.
Yes, yes. We are able to hear you, Hasanaji.
Oh, did you hear my sentence?
Yes, yes. We make
Okay. Oh,
mountain out of
mountain out of mole in our thoughts, you know, and then you start worrying. There is hardly anything, but you think it's going to be too bad.
Yes.
I think Sir can't hear what's happening.
No, he can hear. I think he's just checking something.
I'm just trying to find out why this loop is happening, you know. Because we keep hearing something after we've said it.
Yeah. Now it's okay, sir.
Okay, wonderful. All right, next.
Vijay,
Okay,
sir, you
Vijay,
want
can
to
you
say?
please mute your microphone?
Shall I say?
No, not yet.
They-
So the answer to we want an answer to our question that in what way are we adding barriers to our own happiness? So if you want to say something about that, please feel welcome to do so.
Possibly the result could be that we are empowering, putting some disempowering meaning to some experience that we feel that we might have. So something that we call experience कि मेरे साथ में ऐसा हुआ जो हम बताते हैं वो हकीकत नहीं है, वो रियलिटी नहीं है, वो अपना परसेप्शन है जो हमने सोचा हुआ है. तो जब तक हम एक ग्रुप में एक शेयर कन्वर्सेशन नहीं करेंगे बड़ी के साथ में ग्रुप में, तब तक वो चीज नहीं रह जाएगी. हमें इसका स्वरूप बदलना है तो हमें स्वाध्याय करना पड़ेगा, डिस्कस करना पड़ेगा. हमें उसको ड्रॉप करने के लिए वी रिक्वायर एक्सेस टू द न्यू कन्वर्सेशन, न्यू रियलिटी. So this is the living with the old reality, living with the past. One way we can say technically. उसमें से बाहर आने का रास्ता यही है कि हमें जैसे मंजिल चाहिए तो मंजिल हमें कभी करीब लगेगी जब हम इसको छोड़ देंगे. तो हमने जो पकड़ के रखा है उसका एहसास आएगा तो हमें छोड़ने का मालूम पड़ेगा. एक नई रियलिटी सामने आएगी, एक नई पॉसिबिलिटी सामने आएगी जिसके अंदर हम एक्शन लेंगे. ये मेरा कहना है. Thank you, sir. Whether I was audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
I think there was some problem with the live streaming of it, so I've stopped that.
Okay.
All right, good. Thank you very much for sharing that. So anybody else, how are we? So now you look at yourself, okay? See, one, we are talking in general about people, and I'm saying, let's look at ourselves and say, how do, answer the question, how do I put barriers to my own happiness? So a lot of people have given a lot of wonderful answers. So anything else you want to add to it?
I remember one line, the cult of moral grayness. The cult of moral grayness. Ayn Rand.
Yeah.
And
worry and fear, which we have seen in real demonstration of Asanaji. So I think somebody else might have already told. Worry and fear.
Yeah, we allow that worry and fear to remain.
Yeah.
See, if it's okay if it comes, and you let it go.
Yeah.
So when we are in a state of awareness, don't you think we'll realize, oh, why am I worrying about something which hasn't happened yet? See, something has not happened yet. And by worrying about it, we're bringing it to the present moment, If I keep worrying about I will die, I will die. Arey Baba, you haven't died yet, yaar. What are you getting worried for? Okay. So that's the reason why today we will choose to create a day for ourselves when we will generate our own emotions. What's going on? I say?
So the other one is uncertainty.
Okay. Say something more about that.
So we want everything to be, predictable and certain. So when we are not sure what is going to happen, so we start worrying that what will happen. So some way we carry that, something not good or bad is going to happen.
Yeah, but uncertainty is interesting, no? Something great could also happen.
Yes, that's true. That's true.
But we never relate to that like that.
Yeah.
So somehow this tendency to always think, oh, something bad might happen.
Yeah.
Okay. So all that we are going to drop today. Today, we will master our own emotions.
Yeah, I want to share something.
Yes, please, go ahead.
During the Corona last year, I was afraid, मेरा business का क्या होगा, कैसा, how do I grow and all that. But due to that, my business has increased more than double.
Because the way you responded to the situation,
yes,
not with fear, but by looking for possibilities.
Yes,
correct?
Yes.
So you are a mini Ambani.
Not that way. Anyway, but I'm glad that even customers are benefited. Somebody taken a policy and they have claimed for 10 lakhs, paying 20,000, which is good for him. He saved a lot.
The only problem is most of the time, they claim after they are dead. How many of them claim when they are still alive? Huh?
Yeah, I mean, a few of my clients, they are happy. They wanted to take more. Now we cannot give them.
They claim to have happiness when they buy the policy. They feel they are holding the umbrella of happiness.
And let me tell you something, Mr. Vijay Shah is the guru of insurance in India. You know that? So Suresh Kumar, you should get to know him. You can learn a lot from him.
Sure, definitely.
सर हमें सबको एक दूसरे से सीखना है. हर एक लोग अपने फील्ड में गुरु हैं.
Okay, great, fantastic. Please mute yourself, everybody, so that we don't have any background interfering sounds. Only the person who wants to speak will unmute himself. Okay. All right. So today I will master my own emotions. And this is a very interesting look at it. It says, if I feel depressed, I will sing. Or if I feel depressed, what can I do? I can do silent laughter. If I feel sad, I will laugh. If I feel ill, I will double my labor. If I feel fear, I will not stop, but I will plunge ahead. I will go ahead. If I feel inferior, I will wear new garments. If I feel uncertain, I will raise my voice. If I feel poverty, I will think of wealth that will come. If I feel incompetent, I will remember past success. If I feel insignificant, I will remember my goals. So what a fine way to live our day, right? So each one of you can pick up this, keep it with you and say, if I feel depressed, I will sing. If I feel sad, I will laugh. If I feel ill, I will double my labor. If I feel fear, I will plunge ahead. If I feel inferior, I will wear new garments. If I feel uncertain, I will raise my voice. If I feel poverty, I will think of wealth to come. If I feel incompetent, I will remember past successes. If I feel insignificant, I will remember my goals. Anything you'd like to add to this? Hello. Let's hear some inventive stuff from you coming also. What will you do if you
Sir,
feel
if
any
I
of the
feel,
negative
yeah,
emotions
yeah.
coming?
Sir, if I feel something is wrong, I will change the colors of my glass. I realize I'm wearing the glass of a gray color. I'll put the simple normal water color.
Right. So we'll have
Simple,
to buy
thank
many
you.
colored glasses, no?
No, simple water color, no. ग्लास जो पहना है वो निकाल देना है, फेंक देना है उसको बरी करना है, उस पे चलना है, उसको जला देना है,
Yeah.
खत्म कर देना है उसको.
Yeah. What he's
Thank you.
saying is that the way we are looking at things, we've got to change that.
Yes, we are wearing the multiple glasses.
Absolutely. We should know which one to use at what time, right?
Yes.
And Kumar is saying, if I feel, why don't you say it? Suresh?
Yeah. If I feel defeated, I will work out to overcome it and win.
Exactly. So what you can also say is, if I'm feeling defeated, I will not give up. I will not allow myself to feel discouraged.
Yeah.
I will look at the many times in my life when I have succeeded excellently and get encouraged by that. I will become unstoppable.
If I feel resentful, I will send blessings and goodwill.
Right. You know what is the meaning of resentment? Resentment is a desire to punish.
Ah.
So either you punish or you forgive, no?
Ah.
So first you forgive and then you send lots of blessings and love to that person.
Okay.
So to forgive means to give up all desire to punish.
Okay.
सर यू नो सबसे बड़ा रहस्य सुख दीपक साहब ये है कि जब भी हमारा जन्म नहीं हुआ था, जब भी हम स्पर्म थे, अपने पेरेंट्स कुछ बायोलॉजिकल एक्शन कर रहे थे तो अपना स्पर्म जीत गया. आउट ऑफ द बिलियंस ऑफ स्पर्म्स वी रियलाइज वी टुक द बर्थ, राइट? तो वी आर द बोर्न विनर. तभी सोचने की जरूरत नहीं कि मैं डिफीटेड हो गया हूँ लाइफ में. आई एम अ बोर्न विनर सर. बिफोर आई टुक द बर्थ इन द लाइफ इन द वेयर आई वाज ए मदर वोम, राइट? आई एम अ विनर. आई एम गोइंग टू बी अ विनर. आई एम अ एटर्नल सर.
Beautiful. The fact that I was able to be born, that makes me a winner.
Yes, I got the ability. I got everything. Yes. अभी मैंने सर क्या वो जैसे कोरोना में मास्क पहनते हैं ना, सैनिटाइजर लगाते हैं, हैंड वॉश करते हैं ना, वो क्या है हमने मास्क पहन लिया है. हमें लगता है हमें दिख नहीं रहा है, हमें लगता है हमें कुछ इसको तकलीफ है. जो हमें लगता है वो लोग नहीं रहा है, वो हमें खाली ऐसा भास हो रहा है. वो
और उसको क्रिएट करते हैं हम अपने लाइफ में.
हाँ, यस सर. इसलिए मैंने बताया लेट्स हैव कन्वर्सेशन फॉर एक्शन टू थ्रो इट आउट नो. कंप्लीटली जला दो उसको, नष्ट कर दो उसको.
That is why we have these morning conversations. Thank you very much for being a part of it, Vijay ji.
Thank you sir. Thank you for inviting. It's a privilege.
Right.
सर मुझे ये लगता है कि ये कन्वर्सेशन आपकी दुनिया में चली जाए ना सर, कोरोना पहले सबसे पहला भाग जाए. बोले सर सुख दीपक, मुझे सुख दीपक जी ने मेरा सुख छीन लिया.
Vijay sir, keep your mic near your mouth whenever you speak.
हाँ, मैं ये बता रहा हूँ कि दुनिया में सुख दीपक जी की बात है, मॉर्निंग वाली बात. अभी मॉर्निंग इंडिया में है तो कहीं दोपहर है, कहीं शाम है, कहीं सवेरा है ना. तो मैं सोचता हूँ आज से मैं एक्शन ये लूंगा कि सुख दीपक जी के क्लासेस में मॉर्निंग में काफी सारे बैच करने पड़े. सुख दीपक जी उनके जैसे हजारों लाखों सुख दीपक बनाए, ऐसी मेरी भावना है. और मैं भी सोच रहा हूँ ये भावना हमारी सबकी है. तो हर एक जगह में सुख का दीपक जले और सबको
हर जगह में विजय क्यों न फैले.
सर जी सुख चाहिए ना. विजय सुख में क्या, विजय में क्या चाहिए? विजय में सुख चाहिए सर. किसी को मार के विजय मिल सकता है, लेकिन किसी को मार के सुख नहीं मिल सकता है ना. तो सुखी सुख चाहिए.
Beautiful, beautiful. All right, thank you for sharing. Please mute. Okay, the floor is yours, guys. What do you want to say?
Sir, I feel like what I will create to balance my emotions. on a lighter note, whenever I listen to Suchitra, I feel like I should bring a dictionary.
I'm with you with this.
That was a good one. Good one.
Yeah, because I love to hear the words that Suchitra uses, no? Get a dictionary, improve your vocabulary. Thank God I can understand her words. I use some words which I don't understand, Suchitra, so I also have to look for a dictionary. Food for the mind. Correct. Induji, you're very quiet today. Why don't you add a little bit to our wonderful conversation this morning?
I've been thoroughly enjoying actually. I was wanting an elaboration on only one point which you said. Raise your voice when when you're uncertain.
Yeah. So what happens normally? Now you are an expert on this. Tell me, when people are uncertain, what do they do?
Perhaps confusion. Some people go into even further confusion. Some people seek clarity and they go to experts or resourceful.
Yeah, and how much percentage of people are those who do that?
Minimal, I would say maybe 20%.
Right. So when you are stuck, if you speak to someone, that is called raise your voice, na?
Okay. I was
Most
thinking.
people keep quiet. They go into their shell.
Yes.
Because of their fear or whatever.
Okay.
See, that is a wonderful thing about, communities such as ours in the morning.
Yes.
That we are encouraging people that, look, if you're stuck or if you're in fear, reach out to someone, speak to us.
Okay.
Yeah. So if we open our mouth and raise our voice and say, okay, I'm worried, I'm concerned, and 20 people will say, hello, what is there to be concerned about?
So it should be let your voice rise rather than raise your voice.
Yeah, I know. I use the words of this author who I'm quoting this morning.
Very right, sir. And the day I joined, a friend of mine, a close friend of mine, he was the most happiest person seeming, like if you look at him, he was looking very happy. He had a sudden exit. We'll not talk in detail, but then that happens. We should not lose our loved one, nearest one who look happy and they keep on smiling, but what is going in their mind, we don't know. So we should really give a listening ear to our near and dear ones. And such groups are really going to make a lot of difference, actually, big difference. I'm still in shock, actually. The day I joined 4 days back, I got the news. I'm still in shock.
सर जी, सुखदीपक साहब,
हाँ जी बोलिए.
इलोन मस्क will be giving you trillions of dollars कि उनकी कंपनी का नाम EM है, तो अपना इलोन मस्क में भी अर्ली मॉर्निंग कॉन्सेप्ट में EM आता है. तो जिसको स्पेसशिप में जाना है, सुख है, वो EMC के स्पेसशिप में बैठ जाए, वो पहुंच जाएगी. और फॉलो द कन्वर्सेशन सिंपली. Mr. Sukhdeep Malla is Elon Musk of a planet called happiness.
Hello Vijay ji, what are you planning to do with me? कितना ऊपर चढ़ा रहे हो, नीचे गिरने का है क्या?
सर, मुझे जड़ी बूटी मिल गई. मुझे सुबह समय 5 बजे आज उठ गया था. मैंने सोचा कि अभी यही काम करना है. अभी प्लेनेट पूरा सबको जो तकलीफ महसूस कर रहे हैं, उसमें सुबह में 7:30 बजे आप ये चालू करते हैं ना, ये पूरे प्लेनेट में चालू कर देना है. मैं आपको एक काम करता हूँ, आपको टाइम लेके आपको फोन करता हूँ. हमारी जो ये ग्लोबल कमिटी में जो मैं कैप्टनसी ले रहा हूँ.
चलो, we will talk that offline. Yeah?
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you very much. Please mute. All right, guys. So now today is our 11th session. Congratulations to many of you who've been there with us right from the beginning. So I'd like one or two of you to share with us some of the important points which you remember, that we have brought out in the morning conversation so far. So who'd like to do that? There are a number of things that come out every morning. So some of the ones which you remember, which you think are significant, why don't we share about that?
So one of the point we discussed is what can I create? What do I create?
And that's something we can do every morning, right?
Right. Yeah. Consciously, what can we create?
And today, what are we going to consciously create? being master of our emotions.
Our emotion.
Create happiness today for
Create
ourselves.
happiness today. Ashok ji, good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, what else? What are the other things that we have picked up in these morning sessions?
This is all our mind game. Nothing. It is far away from the reality. The things which we see are the real things in front of our eyes, where our mind, I don't know, with supersonic speed goes back and forth and forward and backward and confuses us, which is the thing which we should control ourselves. We should be able to remain in present, not what will happen if I fall, what will happen, then I will not walk at all. But that's not, unless the thing happens, we shouldn't say that it has happened.
Yes, beautiful.
Procrastination of something which is bad. We have to live in present, not even in the past. In the past.
And one more thing, Ashok ji, we will give up this is bad and this is good.
This is, yes.
See, everything has a consequence. That's it. So we can choose, okay, if I do this, this is consequence. Do I want it? No. Okay, fine. Then I will choose something else. Same point, but just remove the judgment out of it. And there's one thing I'd like you to do, all of us in chorus, we are going to sing one song to Leena ji today.
Sir,
Leena ji के लिए गाना गाएंगे सब लोग. कौन सा गाना गाएंगे? Baby जरा हंस दे तू, हंस दे जरा. भी जरा हंस दे तू. हंस दे जरा.
Sir, I'm little worried.
I know, वो दिखाई दे रहा है ना. फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ाता चला जा.
पर वो जाता नहीं है ना.
आप पकड़ के रखते हो, आपको बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. आपको दूसरा गाना पसंद है, वो हसीन दर्द दे दो मैं गले लगा लूं. तो आपको दर्द भरी चीजें रखनी अपने पास.
Back of the mind, always it is there.
अरे लीना जी, अभी तो कुछ नहीं हुआ है ना.
No.
तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, तो उसको क्यों सोच रहे हैं? Be happy at this moment. Smile with us, no?
Yeah.
Nothing's going to happen to them. I know you're worried about your son and your daughter-in-law and all that. Right? But अभी क्या कर सकते हैं? My 2 sons and 1 daughter-in-law all are having COVID.
Okay.
तो मैं बैठ के यहाँ पर I don't want to put more negative vibrations to them. See, if I think negative, I'm sending negative vibrations to them.
Yes.
If I resonate with their fear, they will be more fearful. They are already afraid, right? So I will send positive, loving vibrations to them. I will send vibrations के बेटा, don't worry, nothing's going to happen to you.
तो वो fear वाला point फिर से समझा दीजिए.
कौन सा वाला point?
If I fear, I will plunge ahead.
अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो नहीं आपको अच्छा लग रहा है? If I feel fear, I will plunge ahead. Okay. What does it mean? It means that I will not allow my fear to stop me. I will go ahead.
Okay.
So in your case, even if I'm feeling fear, I will go ahead and make myself happy.
I will be unreasonable.
Fear, I will not add more fuel to the fire. आग में घी डालने से कोई फायदा होता है क्या? Hello. So when we are fear, मुझे मालूम है जब हमको fear आता है ना तो आता है बहुत जोर से आता है. Correct? मुझे भी आता है. But there is an exercise which we did with Hasina ji yesterday or day before. So what was that? We said, okay, are you feeling fear right now, Leena ji?
थोड़ा बहुत.
नहीं आने दो, उसमें कोई क्या good bad की बात नहीं. अगर fear है तो है. Now, what is that fear? Fear is some thought is going in your mind?
Yes.
What is the thought going in your mind?
Worried about their health.
नहीं, वो thought क्या है? Worried तो मुझे मालूम है. Worried तो एक label होता है.
Yes.
What is the thought in your head?
कब तक ठीक होंगे?
Okay, और
कब मिल पाएंगे?
और जो आप बोल नहीं रहे हो वो भी बोल दो ना.
या वो जैसे he is doing his business ना, so here we have lockdown, so business is tough nowadays. So
अच्छा,
that worries. हाँ?
तो और क्या कह रहा है माइंड?
और बस ये मतलब कब ठीक से शुरू होगा?
ठीक है. और बॉडी में क्या सेंसेशन आ रहा है?
Feel like crying.
तो क्राइंग. तो क्राइंग से क्या होगा? धुल जाएंगी आंखें.
No.
वो गाना नहीं सुना आपने, ये आंसू मेरे दिल की जुबान है? तो आने दो. प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या होता है लीना जी? व्हेन वी ट्राई टू पुट दैट डाउन ना, जो आपको रोना आ रहा है, आंसू आ रहा है, आप दबा रहे हो उसको, है ना? बिकॉज यू आर गिविंग अ जजमेंट फॉर दैट ऑल्सो. क्योंकि बचपन से बोला है ना पेरेंट्स ने, डोंट क्राई, डोंट क्राई. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? इफ यू फील लाइक क्राइंग, क्राई. फिर खत्म हो जाएगा सब क्राइंग. You know, many of us are carrying sadness of I don't know how many years inside of us. We don't want to let it out. माँ बाप की आवाज बोलती है ना अंदर, रो मत बच्चे, रोना नहीं बच्चे, अच्छे बच्चे रोते नहीं है. रोना आ रहा है तो रो, शुद्धि हो जाएगी. मैं तो रोता रहता हूँ, हर बारी पिक्चर देखता हूँ तो रोता हूँ. सो व्हाट? हाँ, वो भी बोलते हैं, बट वो मर्द नहीं है, इसलिए मैं बोला नहीं डायलॉग. So Leena ji, are you going to allow yourself to remain miserable, or are you going to cry and remove it? Finished.
Yeah, I am crying.
Achha, you have very nice way of. Now after crying, you are laughing also. Do you notice that?
Yeah.
So you are feeling relieved.
Yes.
Yeah. You remember what somebody was saying about uncertainty? Suchitra, I think she said, right? We don't know what's going to happen. Correct? Something good can also happen, no?
Yes.
We worry because we think something bad is going to happen. How do you know? भगवान ने आके बोला आपको? क्या न्यूज़ चैनल ने बोला है?
नहीं, किसी ने नहीं.
तो वो रोज बोलते रहते हैं ना, ये कोविड हो गया, वो कोविड हो गया, इतना मर गया, उतना मर गया. तो वी कीप लिसनिंग टू दैट, और कुछ हुआ नहीं हमको तो हम पहले से ही परेशान. फिर हम गाने गाएंगे, मैं परेशान 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 परेशान.
Uncertainty was Rama's statement, so he'll sue me for copyright violation.
No, not at all, not at all. Sir, there seems to be two steps involved in mastering the emotions.
Yeah.
The first one is whatever the emotion comes, feel it,
Experience it. Yeah.
Yeah, experience it. Then you generate what is the emotion you want.
Yeah. Otherwise, you cannot.
Yeah, exactly. The second
Otherwise,
step,
what you will do is you will
jump.
push the negative feeling more deep inside you.
Yeah.
This is called, when you do that, no, there is a lovely ice cream, and on top you are putting kakkus on top of that. You know what is kakkus, right? I'm glad everybody doesn't know what it is.
Don't know.
So firstly, we experience the emotion, release it, then we can generate another emotion.
Yeah.
That is the correct step. Thank you very much for reminding, Rama sir. Very good.
Thank you.
Kunan is very quiet today. Maybe he's feeling thirsty or something. A lot of people are very quiet.
Hey, good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. कभी दूसरे कलर की शर्ट भी पहन लिया करो यार.
I was just thinking about how to be calm whenever the emotions coming, going, because ultimately that is the actual mastery. And as you had mentioned earlier, that let the emotion come and go, let treat as a visitor. So remain calm and then manage all this stuff. So that mastery is very important. So
Thank you, sir.
That is how you will be. So like I said, today we will be the master of our own emotions. So our dear friend, Mr. Kasa, has not spoken so far.
Hi Kasha, how's your health?
Okay, doesn't matter. He will come online whenever he wants to. And how are you this morning, Girish and Suja and Abhijit? Abhijit, it looks like you are a new entrant to our community this morning. So why don't you unmute yourself and say something so we know who you are?
Yeah, thanks for giving me such a privilege. So I just want to thank Nidhi. She took me here to join here.
You have a problem with your video or what?
Join me. No, so right now I'm traveling. I just landed to Bangalore. So every weekend I need to travel to some different cities based on my office job. So I'm responsible to put food in front of many of my employees. So I need to travel rather.
So that's why you can't show your face on the video, is it?
Yeah, it's network issue because I'm traveling. So there's many areas there's network issue because meanwhile you guys were talking.
So thanks for being with us despite the fact that you are traveling.
Video off.
Thank you very much for joining us.
No, thank you very much.
All right. So we're coming to the end of today. So is there anything anybody would like to say?
सर ये छोटी सी बात है, यदि हम ABCD जानते हैं जो हमने नर्सरी में स्कूल में सीखी है, फियर में जो F है ना उसको डियर मत करो, उसको क्लियर करो. तो F में से D में जाओ, D में से C में जाओ. तो D में से क्या होएगा? You will be bouncing and you will be achieving everything that you want. इसको उल्टा कर दो. जो ABCD बोलते हैं ना उसको F E D C B A कर दो. उल्टा करना है. तो फिर उल्टा हो जाएगा, वो भाग जाएगा, कोई भी वापस नहीं आएगा लाइफ में.
Thank you very much. Okay, guys. So wonderful. And it was good to be with you today. And remember what we are going to do today. We are going to master our own emotions. Okay. So you guys have a wonderful day. Have a magnificent day. Have an extraordinary day. And today will be the most wonderful day of your life. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much. And sir,
thank you.
Speedy recovery to all your family members who are facing the.
Okay, so I request Vitrivel and Rama and Nidhi and
Suja is
Kunal to
also there.
remain. The rest of you, we see you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.